In front of me is INFINIX Hot 30i, and today I would like to show you how you can check a password saved in Google Passwords Manager. First of all, go into Settings and scroll all the way down to access passwords and accounts. Then click on Google under Passwords at the top and click on one of your passwords that you wish to check. Finally, after entering your screen lock, click on this eye icon next to your password to make it visible. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!